Good morning, class first students. Now, all of you open your English grammar book, chapter 4. Chapter 4, and your chapter's name is Describing Words. What is describing words? The words which tells about persons, place, name, animals, and things are called describing words. Start revision. Exercise A. Circle the describing words that draw arrows to the nouns they describe. One has been done for you. There are many sentences. You will choose the describing word and noun. First sentence is, there is a black cat. Black is a describing word. Black word is describing about cat. So cat is a noun. We will draw circle on black and draw arrow on cat. Okay. Next, second sentence. Ranjit eats a fresh apple. Fresh is a describing word. And fresh describing about apple. So we draw circle on fresh and draw arrow on apple because apple is a noun. Now third sentence, Sudha reads a new book. New is a describing word. So we will draw circle on new and draw arrow on book because book is a noun. Next, fourth, she is a tall girl. Tall is a describing word. We draw on tall, draw circle on tall and draw arrow on girl because girl is a noun. Next, fourth, I have a brown chair. Brown is a describing word. So we will draw circle on brown and chair is a noun. So we will draw arrow on chair. Okay. Next, exercise B. Underline the describing words that tell us about numbers. Now first sentence, there are 11 players in our team. So 11 is a describing word. We draw line under the 11. Next, second, that is my second house. Second is a describing word, so we draw a line under second. Now third, there are many puppies in the kennel. Many is a describing word, so we draw line under many. Next, fourth, Tom wants 50 rupees. 50 is a describing word, so we draw line under 50. Next, C. Look at the pictures. There are many pictures. Look carefully these pictures. Write the correct describing words for each of them. You will write correct describing word. Choose the words from the help box. You will choose the words from this help box. Now first, a green tree. Next, second, long hair. Third, a bunch of sweet grapes. Fourth, a fat man. Man is fat, so we write describing word fat. A fat man. A big elephant. Elephant is a big animal, so we use big describing word for elephant, a big elephant. Next, 6, a thin man. This man is thin, so we use thin word for this man, a thin man. Okay. Next, D. Write the describing words given in the box in the correct row. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. First, number, shapes, color, size and taste. You will write correct describing word according the row from this box. First, square. Square is describing about shape. So we write square in the row of shapes. Next, second, 2. 2 is describing about number. So we will write 2 in row of number. Next, sweet. Sweet is describing about taste. So we will write sweet in the row of taste. Next, tall. Tall is describing about size. So we write tall in row of size. Next, white. White is a color. It is describing about color. So we write white in the row of color. Next, blue is also color. So we write blue is also in the row of color. Next, small. Small is describing about size. So we write small in row of size. Next, bitter. Bitter is describing about taste. We write bitter in the row of taste. Next, many. Many is describing about numbers. We write many in the row of number. Oval is describing about shape. So we will write oval in the row of shape. Rectangle is also a shape. So we will write rectangle in the row of shape. Next, salty. Salty is describing about taste. So we will write salty in the row of taste. Next, fat. Fat is describing about size. So we will write fat in the row of size. Next, yellow. Yellow is describing about color. So we will write yellow in the row of color. Next, thin. Thin is describing about size. So we will write thin in the row of size. Okay. Now your chapter 4 has been completed. You will revise this chapter again. Thank you.